I'm going to introduce you to my Midsummer Night's Dream fairy garden before I put it away for the season. Those are the only flowers I have here now in the back, but at different times of the year I do have white and purple flowers that bloom because those are the colors featured in the play. Over here is Titania, the Fairy Queen's home, and I have a swing here for her little changeling boy, and we've got a chandelier and a table set for when she feeds Bottom, who comes in the form with the donkey's head, and I've removed it, but earlier in the season I kept a donkey's tail succulent here by her bower. This is where she takes a nap, and I also have just different things that remind me of her little throne as well. And then farther down here, these columns here represent the road to Athens. Then in the branches up above, I have 3 little houses for the fairies. This is still a work in progress. I do want to decorate them eventually to match their names: Peace Blossom, Mustard Seed, and Cobweb. And that's the Midsummer Night's Dream Fairy Garden.